See that green? Hi Carry Mini viewers, welcome back again to my channel, where on this channel we reveal everything that is small, tiny or mini. Today we have the electronic game board called Jumanji. So for those of you guys who don't know what Jumanji is, it's a movie and this game is based on that movie. So we will see how this game works. I have never played this before, so we're going to find out what's inside. Let's go. So guys, we managed to remove it from the box. This is the box, and you will see it includes all these maybe figures. Not really sure, I haven't tried Jumanji before, but it says here is Jumanji game for those who seek to find a way to leave your world behind. Oh, that's interesting. You roll the dice to move the token. Double gets another turn. The first player to reach the end wins. Okay, so this is how the board game looks like. I think so. Notice this is upside down here, so okay. Adventurers beware, do not begin unless you intend to finish. The exciting consequences of the game will vanish only a player has reached Jumanji and called out its name. Oh, it's so scary. Just like the movie, it's interesting. So these are the four miniature tokens, I guess. So this has a beating drums and hypnotic glowing green center will draw you on the wilds of Jumanji. Pick a token, roll the dice if you dare, and includes a Jumanji board, 4 miniature tokens and 2 dice. Okay guys, let's go and open this one. Let's know what's inside. Ooh, see that green? Wow. Okay guys, so this is the tokens and the dice. So there are no instructions here. It says here open here. Okay, let's see what's inside. Actually nothing. Okay. There's no cards here to say anything. I can't find anything. It's just like a simple board game, I guess. It's just a game for fun. And that theme sound. Okay, comes with a speaker here, battery pack, which is included, and that's it. I get to play the game. Okay, maybe we can try. We'll try. It says here, if you started it, you need to finish. So I'll pick the green one. There's the dice here. I wonder how we play this. It's like so simple. Yeah, nothing happens when you touch this, or it doesn't really roll. Nothing. It's just a simple like dice and token game. Let's see how. Oh, I got a 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and that's it. Place your token here. Okay, so this guys has 4 players, so you can either play with your friends and just have fun. So guys, how do you play the Jumanji game? So there are 4 players, and each player starts at the very end of each corner, and whoever reaches Jumanji first wins. That simple. Just draw the dice and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoever reaches there first wins. Okay guys, this game Jumanji is a smaller version of the bigger game board. So you see my hand, it's so small. Can't fit. Okay, so I have a little surprise for you. And I have a even smaller version. This is the world's coolest Jumanji keychain. So you see, it just opens like the same as the big one. So we will find out. Let's open this one. Let's go. Okay guys, I managed to open this one, and this one says here 1 game board box, 2 sets of dice, and 4 game tokens, just like the bigger version. Okay, let's see. But this comes with a keychain. Any special instructions? I don't see anything. You can compare it to this one. This is way more legit looking. All the carvings and stuff. This is just a keychain, so we'll see. Let's go ahead and open this one. Okay. Whoa! This is so cool. Guys, this is magnetic. This is awesome. Oh, I think I like this better than the other one. This is magnetic too. So guys, it's just exactly the same as the bigger one. It says here the same one. And this one also. But this one is not upside down. This is cool. Kind of like going around. And they should have done it like magnetic too. So like if you roll the dice, you get 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, cool! So cool, so cool. It doesn't have the Jumanji logo, but it's okay. Guys, this is so cool, and it's a keychain. This is way more cooler than the other one. Okay, so guys, would you agree that this one keychain is way cool? This is awesome, you guys. Okay. And you can bring it anywhere. So portable. Okay guys, that's it for our Jumanji mini version and a little bit more version. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Which one you like better? The bigger one with the sound or the smaller version that it's magnetic and portable? For me, I will prefer this little one here because it's magnetic and it's really cute. And I can bring it anywhere. Okay, that's it for this video guys. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please always take care and love you.